clouds are moving. Don't those like ghosts? Look at them. Oh my gosh. They're moving so fast. Do you see how fast? Gosh. Oh my gosh. No, like a little line just there, just right there. Oh. How windy is it outside? Let's go find out. What was that noise? What was that noise? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Take a card. I locked. They're already over there. Wait, where'd the clouds go? Over there? Oh, like a... Look at them. Look at them. Wait, the camera doesn't capture it. Okay, they're already over there.
That's true, because it's not even windy out.
They're already over there by the church. They were over there.
No, no.
They're already over there. They're past the church now.
What?
Do you have a phone? Somebody just brought him a phone. I don't think that's the kid. I think that was some guy.
That was a kid.
I don't think it was.
Say it was a kid.
Yeah, you're like, there's some creepy kid right there.
Kid is just like a general term.
Okay.
All
Right
your
on.
heart shove against the other side of the bookcase. Is that perfectly clear?
What in the world?
I think so.
I think so. Oh.
Good girl. Put the candles back!
Oh, look, Doctor. A passageway.
Whatever that music is, it's coming from down there. I'd better take a look.
Oh, let me come with you, Doctor, please. I don't want to stay up here alone.
Bro, you walked by. That was so
On your
weird.
own.